सब लोग सुनो,
सुन लो हमारी बात।
कहते हैं हम सब एक बहुत पते की बात।
सुनो सुनो सुनो, सब लोग सुनो,
सुन लो हमारी बात।
कहते हैं हम सब एक बहुत पते की बात।
रखना हमारी बात का मान,
सड़क पर करो नियमों का सम्मान।
करते हो अगर जीवन से प्यार,
तो सड़क पर रहो सावधान हर बार।
क्योंकि सबकी सुरक्षा में ही है अपनी रक्षा।
हाँ, सबकी सुरक्षा में ही है अपनी रक्षा।
आपको पता है आज हम यहाँ पर क्यों आए हैं? We are here to show you a mirror. आज हम यहाँ आपको एक आईना दिखाने आए हैं।
अखबार तो आप सब पढ़ते ही होंगे। एक्सीडेंट्स, डेथ्स, ब्लडशेड, ऑल कॉज बैक केयरलेसनेस।
लोग मर जाते हैं, परिवार तबाह हो जाते हैं। क्यों? सिर्फ हमारी लापरवाही के कारण।
young innocent children die, children who haven't even lived their lives. Why does this happen? क्या हम इतने लापरवाह हैं? क्या हम इतने गैर जिम्मेदार हैं कि हमारी वजह से किसी की मौत हो जाए और हमें फर्क ही ना पड़े?
Are we really that indifferent? Do we just not care?
Yes, we just don't care. आइए आपको कुछ दिखाते हैं।
Let's go to a house where there's a birthday party going on.
Birthday party? Whose birthday party?
Come on, let's see. Wow, this cake looks yummy.
मेरा मन करता है मैं इसे अभी खा जाऊं।
Auntie, when are we gonna cut this cake?
बेटा, wait for the birthday boy to come. He is gone for a ride.
कब आएगा?
अरे भाई, after all he's gone for a ride in his new BMW.
BMW? Wow.
My son always drives a Porsche.
But I don't know what was the need for him to buy a BMW. He is not even 18.
ਉਹ ਛੱਡੋ ਭਾਬੀ ਜੀ, ਸਾਡਾ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਤਾਂ 16 ਸਾਲ ਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਚਲਾਉਣ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ।
चलाता होगा, but I am really worried.
Don't worry, Auntie. I'm sure you'll be fine.
I hope so.
Yeah, Vicky's so cool. Really? Is he?
Where did you buy the car from?
Sir, don't you remember? आपने ही तो बैग में निकलवाई।
Oh yes, I remember.
But what about the cake? When will we cut it?
My God, it's already 10 o'clock. I hope he's fine. Where is he?
Don't worry भाभी जी, my son is with him.
That's exactly what I'm worried about. Huh?
Train.
Who is it right now? Hello? Yes? What? An accident?
Hi, मेरा बेटा, मैं बर्बाद हो गई. I told you not to buy him a car. I told you.
हमारा जो शॉट ले लिया है आपका, ले लिया।
What has happened? Is my son all right?
खत्म करो मेरे को।
Other kids all right?
The kids are all right, but my poor BMW, it's a wreck.
खाली ना आए तो चाहिए।
It's horrible. You're still worried about your car? What about our son? My poor baby.
What about the cake?
My car.
My child.
Oh, let's hurry up. We have to go there.
Let's go.
I'm also coming with you. Finally, everyone is gone. Now we can eat the cake.
Yes, let's eat it.
रईस बाप की बिगड़ी औलाद देखो कितनी लग गई। मर जाते हम अभी। अरे अब ठीक तो है, ज्यादा चोट तो नहीं लगी।
अरे कुछ नहीं हुआ, बिना बात के शोर मचा रहे हैं। हम तो देख कर ही चल रहे थे, पता नहीं बीच में कहां से आ गए।
हम तो सिर्फ सड़क पार करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे और लाल बत्ती थी। इनकी गाड़ी इतनी तेजी से आई कि लगा अभी हमारे ऊपर से चले जाएगी।
देखो कितनी लग गई। मर जाते हम अभी।
बिना बात के शोर मचा रहे हो, कुछ नहीं हुआ। देखकर चलना चाहिए ना, सड़क तुम्हारी है। Keep quiet. You make a mistake and then you try to cover it up.
हाँ, क्या हुआ है यहाँ पे? Do you even have a license that you're driving a car?
Kind of.
What do you mean by kind of?
Yeah, what do you mean by kind of?
Well, I was driving with the CM son. So
CM son? Who's the CM son?
I'm the CM son.
Sir, look, he's the CM son. That changes everything. We can't do anything.
No, this changes nothing. If he is the CM son, he should be even more careful.
Look what they did to our car.
Sir, my new car is a wreck.
We were driving calmly along the lane and suddenly...
They came out of nowhere and overtook us from the wrong side and there we banged into the footpath.
that's gonna kill us.
Sir, do something.
Did you even see the speed limit?
Yeah, the speed limit is 65 km/h.
सर मैं तो धीरे ही चला रहा था। सर यही मुझे बोल रहा था तेज चला।
You not only broke the speed limit, you were also driving in the wrong lane and you also crossed the red light. See how many crimes you've committed in just one night.
All these rules that you're talking about are not for us. They are for the ordinary people.
Spoiled brats.
बेशरम लोग।
सर आपके पापा को फोन लगा दो।
नहीं, मैंने फोन कर दिया है, आ रहे होंगे।
लुक, दे दिया।
बेटा तो ठीक है ना, तो चोट तो नहीं लगी?
अरे मेरी गाड़ी, it's a wreck.
Inspector साहब, tell me what has happened?
Nothing has happened, Papa.
हाँ, कुछ भी तो नहीं हुआ।
We were just trying to have some fun. I don't know from where these women came in front of us.
And I lost control.
कुछ
अरे
होगा बेटा, कोई
इंस्पेक्टर
बात नहीं।
साहब, बच्चे हैं, गलती हो जाती है, छोड़ दो।
After all, we are also at loss. Look at my new BMW. It's a wreck.
हद होगी वैसे। अभी भी तुम्हें अपनी गाड़ी की चिंता है ना? But what about our car? हमारी क्या गलती थी? We were not even at fault.
और हमारी क्या गलती थी?
यार सब छोड़ो, ले दे के बात खत्म करते हैं।
सर मैं भी तो वही कह रहा हूँ, बच्चे हैं, गलती हो गई है, छोड़ दो ले दे के।
ऐसे कैसे लेने की बात खत्म करें? They don't even realize their mistake. They must be punished for this.
Do you recognize this scene? This is what happens every day, everywhere. Be it the streets of Delhi, in Chandigarh, in Panchkula, or just about anywhere else. And by the way, whose fault it is? Is it theirs, yours, or mine? It's about time we thought about it.
Do you know, friends, India has the second largest road networks in the world. It immensely contributes to India's economy. With better roads and faster cars, matters of road safety are of more importance than ever before. The statistics are alarming. The number of deaths and destruction caused by this road rage is scary.
You, me, her, him. We all can make a difference. We, the youth, are the agents of change.
We must generate awareness on being responsible on the road.
So friends, here are a few rules we can follow to help save millions of lives.
Do not use mobile phones while driving.
Always wear a seat belt while driving.
Wear a helmet while on a two-wheeler.
Don't drive until you get a license.
The right age to get the license is 18 years.
Be calm and always follow the rules.
Do not drink and drive. Stop the vehicle before the pedestrian line at the red light.
Always go clockwise on a roundabout.
Always slow down while approaching a roundabout.
The maximum speed limit before the roundabout is 30.
Lane driving is safe driving.
You must always overtake from the right side.
Left lane is for public transport and heavy vehicles.
Always give way to the emergency vehicles.
Practice refrain and patience while driving.
Our safety is our responsibility.
सुनो 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 सब लोग सुनो सुन लो हमारी बात कहते हैं हम सब एक बहुत पते की बात रखना हमारी बात का मान सड़क पर करो नियमों का सम्मान अगर करते हो जीवन से प्यार